Welcome to our second video on finding a whole given the part in the percentage. Let's look at our example here. 27 students in a class participated in a school performance. This was 75% of the students in the grade level. How many students did not participate in the performance? We can draw a simple model to help us think about this problem. We can show a bar. And we can represent this right away by saying that this is 75%. We do not know what the other portion actually shows, but we also know that the 75% is represented by 27 students. So one thing is for sure, we can still find a way to represent 1% of the total class. But that's not what we're interested in. In fact, what we're interested to find out is how many students represent those who did not participate in the performance. So let's proceed. We know that 75% represents 75 over 100 parts. We can mathematically divide the value 27 by 75 parts so that we can get 1%. And this is actually 0.36, which means 1%. We can now proceed to find the total number of students in the grade level just by multiplying 0.36 times 100 parts to get 100%, and we will get 36. And since this is 36, we can now solve for the number of students who did not join by subtracting 36 and 27, wherein we'll get 9 students. You might ask if there are other ways to solve this problem. We can actually use 75% as a fraction to solve quickly for 36, or use the decimal version to get to 36 right away. Another way of looking at it is trying to figure out how many percent is represented by the other block. Since we know that it's 100%, we can figure out that this block is just 100% minus 75%, which is 25%. So that means we can actually solve for 25% once we get the 1% value. And since 0.36 is the 1% value, simply multiplying this by 25 parts will give us the answer of 9 students. So as you can see, there are multiple ways of trying to solve for the whole given the parts and the percentage. And as you can see in this example, we do not necessarily go for just one step. Sometimes you also have to find the other portions, and it's very crucial to be able to draw a model to help you in your thinking. Drawing models can also help you explain to others your thought process in coming up with a solution. As you can see in our problem, there are multiple ways to do this. We hope you learned a lot in this video. See you in the next one.